Heavy rust makes this braking surface completely unsafe. Let's get this dangerous rotor removed properly. Look at this incredible transformation! Years of rust are just completely gone. That is how you restore a brake disc.
We are almost finished with this restoration. Wait for it, the results are incredible. Look at that perfect shine.